Good morning, Candace Carter. Thoughts to go with Grungies 2. We promise there will not be 3 and 4 and more Grungies, just as 2. The reason I have my Grungies still on for this video is a little bit different. It has to do with the theme. Okay? So, the thing is, I got up yesterday morning, we say in English, on the wrong side of the bed, which means the day was really blah. It was like I just couldn't get into anything. I was hanging out, but it wasn't fun to hang out. It was just didn't feel comfortable being me. Didn't get anything going. Didn't even have a feeling like there was something I would like to do. Those kind of days you're just kind of dazed. And I can remember times in my life where that was really a bad day. And the problem was I judged it. And sometimes the next day started the same way. And so I thought, oh my God, I'm in the same mode. What am I going to do? And if the days add up and you judge them, you can really move to a bad place. And I didn't want to go to a bad place, and I've kind of practiced not going there. So I'm going to talk with my friends about this problem. What do you think, guys? Oh, hi, dog. Well, I'm so unhappy with myself if I have a day like this. I mean, I didn't produce anything. I didn't do anything worthwhile. I didn't make a difference. A difference? Yes. We are here for a purpose. Purpose? Well, that's true, dog, but I just can't always turn it on and off. Sometimes there's just stupid days. Oh, well, then you have to improve yourself. I can't always improve myself. Sometimes I just have to be dumb and accept it. I don't know. Oh no, I don't think I could do that. Oh well. You never have bad days and you just can't figure out what's going on. Well, I try to hide them. You don't have to hide them. We all have bad days. The only thing that's bad about bad days is if you keep judging them to be bad days. So that's probably my thoughts to go for this week. What do you think, guys?